Tired of messy kitchen drawers? Utensils jumbled, hard to find what you need? Every day searching for a spoon wastes your time. Forks, knives, and spoons all mixed together. Small kitchens make clutter even worse. New homeowners want an organized start? Home organizers know drawer chaos is real. Regular trays just don't fit everything. Standard organizers waste precious drawer space. Frustrated by digging for the right utensil? There's a smarter way to organize. Introducing the Joseph DrawerStore Utensil Organizer. Designed to maximize every inch of your drawer. Space-saving, layered compartments for all your cutlery. Fits most standard kitchen drawers with ease. Neatly separates forks, knives, spoons, and more. No more tangled utensils or wasted space. Easy to install, just place it in your drawer. Modern, compact design fits any kitchen style. Perfect for small kitchens and busy households. Great for new homeowners seeking smart solutions. Before, cluttered, overflowing drawers. Utensils stacked, sliding around, hard to grab. After, every utensil has its own spot. Drawer looks neat, organized, and spacious. Find what you need in seconds. No more frustration or wasted time. Transform your kitchen with one simple change. Joseph's innovative design stands out. Layered compartments maximize storage capacity. Cutlery icons help you sort instantly. Stacked layout saves space for other items. Durable, easy-to-clean materials last for years. Sleek gray finish matches modern kitchens. Perfect for apartments, condos, or tiny homes. Ideal for anyone who loves a tidy kitchen. No tools or assembly required. Simply slide it into your drawer and organize. Holds all your everyday silverware securely. No more rattling or shifting when opening drawers. Keep flatware separated and easy to access. Even works for larger utensils and gadgets. Busy families save time during meal prep. Professional chefs love the efficiency boost. Home organizers recommend it for every kitchen. Amazon shoppers get free shipping on eligible orders. Everyday low prices save up to 50%. Order with Amazon Prime for fast delivery. Trusted by experienced merchants and home experts. Join thousands of happy, organized customers. Upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. See the difference in your daily routine. No more morning rush searching for utensils. Everything is right where you need it. Enjoy cooking and cleaning with less stress. Maximize drawer space, minimize clutter. A must-have for efficient modern living. Makes a thoughtful gift for new homeowners. Perfect for housewarmings or kitchen upgrades. Joseph, innovation meets practicality. Transform your kitchen in minutes. Say goodbye to messy drawers forever. Ready to experience true organization? Click the link to shop now on Amazon. Enjoy free shipping and exclusive deals. Don't miss out. Stock is limited. Make every inch of your kitchen count. Joseph DrawerStore, the smarter way to organize. Order today and simplify your kitchen life. Your organized kitchen starts with one simple tray. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.